Okay. Oh no. What's up, Brownies? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Brown. So Thanks Brown's here and Georgia Brown's here. So in today's video we're going to be playing. Actually, I have to go check what this game is called. It's called Club Farm Tycoon Beta. So yeah, there. So I already started playing a little bit just to see if it looked like a fun game, and I am rich.
How do I buy this, Zoe?
Buy it, just step on it.
No, I want to buy this one.
Oh, but you need enough. You don't have enough money yet. Okay, let's see. Wait. Oh, this is like a barn or something like that.
Okay.
Like, yeah, this is definitely.
Guys, I already have like a full barn.
I wish that you could actually open up the doors, but I have to go this way. Okay, let's see.
Yay.
Oh my word, there's so many tomatoes.
Right now.
Tomatoes.
Yeah, I got a dairy farm.
Okay, let's see. You got what? A dairy?
Cow.
Yeah, same. I have a dairy farm. But right now I'm on my tomato farm. That's my dairy farm over there. Right now I'm working on my tomato farm.
Wait. You have different farms?
Yeah. There's a farm on each side.
I want to get a cheese factory.
Oh no, I actually have to work.
I want to get a cheese factory.
Oh, I think I'll like sell this.
Because you get money from
How am I only holding one in like 5 million? Or stuff.
Okay, I'm going to get a cheese factory.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Steve. Jenny is so rusty.
What?
Rusty?
Oh no.
By this.
What happened?
Jenny is so poopy special.
Oh.
This.
Cool, so I get money for
try
that.
Game.
So I can just go there and get money from that. Like, look, that it shows.
It's actually really fun.
Okay.
Trying that
Oh, Janny's in our game. Banks is in our game now. Only me and Gigi were playing, but Janny and Banks are joining.
Yeah, here's the music.
They might leave. They're just trying it out. Oh, hi, Banks. You're at my farm.
That's my phone. I played this game before.
Who's this?
Guys,
Oh,
it
it's
just
like a
says
farm?
sign out to me. And I can't play.
You can't. You can't.
Here you go, cows now. It's like full. So we
Okay.
look here, I go cows.
One
Look how cute they
second.
look. Wait, is it a vegetable?
Okay, so, we helped Banks, but she didn't even join our server. We just made a private server. It was free if you want to do a private server in this game. So I am now orange, and I finished my farm over here.
I
This
need more
one.
money, Zoe.
Wait, she walked out too?
You have to walk.
Yeah, you have to walk here.
Why do you have a tractor?
I don't know.
That's stupid.
Well, also, Jen, and your farmer does it too. Walks too.
This is so fun.
Oh my.
You have a farmer?
No, yeah, but I do.
Go.
Oh my word,
I got a cheese. Okay, guys, so I'm selling cheese and milk. It's like a combo.
Like, I'm gonna have
didn't
so
know
much money. I wish that things were more expensive in this game.
Wait, is it my worker? Because it's
Yeah.
purple.
Yeah, that's your worker.
Guys,
Everyone has
I'm
a
like already
worker.
like so good
You
now.
have to like buy it or something.
This game's easy.
Yeah, you buy it, but like you buy it like in one of the things, you know? Wait, what is she?
Oh, gee, I got club
She said
cheese.
beep beep. Wait. Okay, I was like,
I'm making money, guys.
Like say beep beep.
So what is this game called?
She's like, oh look at it.
I can say beep beep now. Great. And then she said,
I have a cow thing. And
How do you get
I have a cheese factory.
what?
How do you get them?
Okay, I just want to use
how do you
money
get
right
in?
now.
How do you get
Oh, apple orchard. I already have this. So I'm not gonna get that. I'm gonna get an apple orchard.
Like I'm rich.
Daisy Farm?
Ooh, it costs more money. Yes. I don't know why, but I don't want money.
Okay, you know what? I'm getting a daisy farm.
Oh,
What is
no.
wrong
But
with you?
No, like I want money, but literally I have so much money and everything's like $5 and I have like $50,000. So I don't actually have $50,000.
You know what?
I have like
$10,000 farms.
Okay.
What?
Okay, finally stuff is more money.
What?
Like I want money, but I want stuff to be harder
Never said you couldn't.
to get, so. Okay.
That's the
I think
Jenny
it's pretty hard to make.
I said Jenny can't get Weebles, so she can't.
Oh,
I
I almost finished my Daisy farm, but then I don't have.
Oh no, I don't want to buy it.
That's
Dang it.
definitely.
Can I like ride in the tractor? Wait, can I?
Guys, why do
Is
I
I just
need to
sitting?
go to the store?
I am.
Guys,
Wait,
why do
can I
I need
go?
to go to the store?
Oh. Oh, Jen, I'm gonna just save up all my things. Like, see, I have this apples.
Why does my thing has like a one-day check?
I just unequip my apples, so in a little bit, like, oh, I have 2 farmers now.
How did you get?
I got another
Guys, I just got
cheese factory. Can get a cheese factory, a carrot farm, or a cucumber. I kind of want a carrot farm.
Oh my god, they just put food
Next, I'll get
in
the cheese
store.
factory. Though.
What I made. No, but the cheese factory, you get lots of money.
Yeah, I want different things though. I don't want to just have something.
I just saw a person in my.
Because that's
Why is
like,
there a person in my bill?
So, there's stuff that I don't have yet, and that's the stuff that I want to get. I do want to get. It sounds like I said that.
I have 14 things a second.
But I can't. There's a person in my field who's killing. Yay! Guys, what is the green stuff? What is the green thing?
That's your money at a different place. So if you go to like the big store,
I have like 5.
thanks. If you go to the big
collect that
store,
money?
yeah, if you go to the big store, you can collect
How?
it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait, did you see if you can ride a tractor?
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can.
I'm special because inside here, right here,
No,
it's up purple.
So I'm putting my carrots out. I'm just like unequipping all my things. You guys don't have to keep going back and forth. I'm unequipping all my things, and like once I fill up my whole farm area and I have like a lot of things, like just this farm area, because I'm pretty sure that you could also unlock all of these 3. So
And then maybe you can reboot them.
yeah, I think that you can unlock. What was that? No, okay, so a carrot farm, I already have that, tomato farm. Oh my word, I already have all these. Okay, I want to see if I can do something in here. Tulips! Okay, I'm doing a tulip.
Okay, guys. Should I get a wheat farm and
should I buy?
a carrot farm?
A tomato farm.
I do
Which one should I buy?
wheat.
So which one should I buy?
Carrot farm.
Guys,
Guys, I'm like a pro like Zoe now. Because this is like so.
Oh, I have $6, yes.
This is like so $6. I love this. This is so.
Cheese club. I'm gonna buy
No,
a
I
cheese
actually don't know.
How much money I have is I kind of like this game because it's so fast, and I don't like fast simulators that much, but still like this game. Guys, I have 1K of that green
Ooh,
stuff.
some yellow tulips.
I have 1K of the green stuff.
Okay. Let's see here.
I can't even buy stuff.
What do you think, Hus?
Okay, so Brownies, we are back, and I just got a ton of stuff. I got the apple orchard, I finished the tulips, and I got the cucumber. I'm just gonna go over here now, collect my money, because look how much money I have over here. And then I'm gonna sell the apples, carrots, tulips, apples, and cucumbers. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. I'm going to the supermarket. Look at all these guys. I have so many workers now. So Jenny and Banks are in a different server.
No, I joined the plateau.
Oh, Banks joined.
Yay, thanks to the purple
Oh
farm.
my word. Okay, apple. Oh, okay. I got the apple here. What about carrots? No, what about tulips? What about apples?
I'm gonna join
and some cucumbers. Okay, look. So I have all these things in here. I got this, And I'm gonna go back to my farm. And alright, so I'm gonna go back to my farm. I wish there was like a teleport button.
I don't have that much talk because it just showed everything same.
Okay. Oh, look, Jordan has a cheese factor. Oh my lord, I want a cheese factor. Okay.
Mom, Sita, help me.
Okay. I wonder what this one will be. I hope it's a cheese factory. That's what I want. Or like something really good. I had to get an apple, another like apple orchard. Ooh, I'm gonna get wheat farm. Okay. Doing this. Boom, boom, bum, ba-dum. Boom. Shaboom.
Zoe, how many things are in your chest? Why
Wow.
are there 2 potions in my bill?
Nah.
How are these potions in my bill?
I'm just gonna climb up on top of this
How
to
are these
see.
potions lining in my bill?
Okay.
I'm trying to get an apple like it or an orange peel. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get an apple orchid.
Apple orchard. Okay. Orchard. Okay. So orchid is a flower.
I have another cucumber. There we go. I thought it was trees, but it's actually cucumber. I mean, it's not cucumber, it's off of
Okay.
whatever
Gonna
it is.
finish this. Okay.
It's not.
Okay, brownies, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also make sure that you turn on the notification bell so you're always notified when I post a new video. Always stay awesome.
Stay sweet. Stay fans of us.
Yeah, okay.
Stay
Bye.
confident.
Yeah, stay confident.
Bye.
Bye, brownies.
Bye, Bye, boys.